Well, welcome again to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques on YouTube. We've got this Duchess sugar bowl to show you. Got a familiar pattern. You've probably seen this one before, but not clock the actual pattern name or number. A very stylized design with combination of floral and this blockwork, quite Georgian or imperial in its nature. I don't know. It's a real combination piece. And then one element of quite neoclassical drop floral combination pattern in the inner wall. Porcelain, bone china, ribbed. Is it ribbed? No, it's not really ribbed. It's got, this is palpable design on here. The transfer pattern is really quite thick and you can feel it like it's hatched really, isn't it? Indent rimmed. Just these little indents you can see here, but not a real full scallop trim. You just see these little indents every so often around the outside. This is Duchess Bone China. The pattern is one called Westminster, and it is number 560 in the pattern made by Duchess in their pattern book. It's in very fine condition. You can see the glaze reflection in the light there. It's absolutely mint. The gilt round the rims is absolutely mint. There's no wear on it at all. Same with the base plate. So no condition notes or warnings on this particular sugar bowl. We have also, interestingly, got some trios in this design, if it's one you're taking a like to, and quite a rare teapot in very good condition coming through in a milk jug. So the opportunity, I think, to put a small tea service together if this one takes your liking. Available from the Vintage and Antiques website. If you follow the link descriptions below or the graphic link, it should take you through to the website so you can have a look at all the measurements and details on this, which will all be there. If you'd like to find out more, just follow the links. Thanks for watching.